Hello, thanks so much for tuning in. You know that you are important, and so are the people in your life. I speak about the power of relationship building quite often, but today I would like to make you think about your personal relationships and the relationship you have with yourself. Are there times when you tell yourself, I have so much on my mind. I would like to call my parents, but I am too busy. I won't be able to make it for dinner tonight because I have too much on the go. I will call my friends as soon as there is a little bit less pressure at work. I would love to work out, but I just don't have the time. Do you allow work to become an excuse to neglect yourself and the people who should matter most in your life? This is how your life gets out of shape. Be aware. Don't say, I can't make it, I'm too busy, I don't have the time. Say, I will make the time. Get your priorities straight. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.